Hi, 8th College. This is Anushka.
This is Naira.
And this is our 4-person apartment. Come on in.
Welcome to our apartment, guys. We're on the 9th floor in Survivance, and we live in a 4-person suite. This is our kitchen.
It's our kitchen, and this is our common space.
So this is our fridge. Since it's just the 4 of us, we like sharing all of our food. It's a bit messy, but this is the inside of our fridge. On top, we like to just collect little things, little restaurants we go to. This was the first meal we had, and in classic UCSD fashion, we have a parking ticket.
And this is our coffee station, matcha station. This didn't come with the apartment. We brought this on our own, but this is our coffee machine, and this is our matcha set, matcha making. We have our cabinet, we have our condiments, we have our vitamins, other coffee powder, more matcha powder. And then here's another storage unit. Here we have like pots and pans, and we have plates and napkins. Okay, so this is our mug collection. We love the aristocrats in our household, so this is our aristocrat mug. This is our sink. We do, every time we like replace it, each of us like gets one of these, like a new soap or a new sponge, and we kind of take turns like who buys it each time. This didn't come with the apartment. We did buy this, but we found this very useful for us.
It does get messy at times, but I guess we just have an agreement of just letting each other know if it's getting out of hand, and we just try to clean all together.
We also have a 24-hour policy, so basically like, once you put a dish in the next 24 hours, make sure to clean it up just so that we can avoid it getting super messy, and we found that very helpful.
So this is our living room. And we're usually here up until 3 in the morning doing homework with our friends, one of whom is actually here right now. Do you guys want to meet her?
Hi everyone, my name is Nadia. I'm an honorary 8th resident from 6th, and I love to come here and do my work and eat the meals that we make.
As you guys can see, we have a lot of posters in our apartment. It's just things we've collected over the years from concerts, shows, and just things everyone in the apartment likes.
This is our TV. One of our suite mates did bring this, so this is really fun for like movie nights with the suite. We have an Xbox as well, and here's also our like gaming place where we have like Settlers of Catan, Monopoly, we have Uno, and it's just like a fun entertainment space. Here's also our carpet. This was also something that we split amongst our 4 apartment mates. I personally am a big Lego collector, so around the apartment you'll see like different Lego sets, so this is one of them. This is our windowsill, and we're so grateful because we do have an ocean view, which is very, very nice. Okay, come follow us to our room. This is our hallway to our bathroom space. This is our shared bathroom sink area. We have 2 sinks, and then we also have a lot of storage, 1 shelf for each of us. And we've kind of decorated it a little bit, a little homage to La Jolla. This is our shower area.
And as you can see, it's a pretty big space for just 4 people to share. So let's see what we have here.
Welcome to our shower, everyone. Yeah, so this is our shower. The shower curtain was given courtesy of 8th College. I'm 5'4" for reference, and this is how tall it is. You kind of have to tippy-toe to reach the top of it, but honestly, it's great for 4 people. We've been able to all like share it very well. And these are our shower carpets that we did bring just so that, we could dry our feet and everything. And then over here, we have our like toilet and our, we store our cleaning supplies in here as well. So we have shared cleaning supplies that we put, and then we have, yeah, our toilet. Okay, so this is Naira and I's double. Come on in. So when you walk in, you're greeted by this beautiful innate immunity poster. We wake up every day, remind ourselves how innate immunity works. We're both bio majors, so this is very important. I'm a big poster collector, and I love Studio Ghibli, so I have my Studio Ghibli posters, and we also have posters over here. And yeah, I've been really able to decorate the space so it's comfortable for me. And we also, 8th College, they gave us storage for our bags, so over here, we have our bag storage. I'm also right next to the window, so we also have a beautiful view, and as you can see, more Lego collection. And this is our view of kind of the ocean, kind of not. This is my closet space, but we have a good amount of storage. On the top, obviously, more decorations, another Lego set.
I don't think we want to see the inside of my closet, but let's look at the top. I like collecting jewelry. Will you see me wearing it most of the time? No. Some books and things that I like. And then over here we have our desk. My friends gifted me the CD player because I like collecting CDs, so I have a bunch of those. I'm really into movies, as you can see, so I have a bunch of movie posters.
Hi, my name is Priscilla, and this is my single in 8th college. This right here is my bed space, so I brought in all the bedding. I also brought in like an extra like mattress cover so that it's like a little bit cushier because I like my bed a little bit softer. So I brought in these posters. These I actually got off of Library Walk. Every like week 4 they have a big street vendors fair, and I just kind of decorated with some of my shoes because I thought they'd be kind of cute decor items. Over here I've got a little bit of a collage going on, photos of me, some places I've been, postcards, UC San Diego merchandise. Over here is the dresser. So you do get this dresser. It comes with your apartment, and I put just like some bathing suits, some cute bags, some perfumes, and fun stuff. The beds are lofted, so you can lift them up as high as you want. I brought in a lot of containers and just like different boxes that I put a lot of my sweatshirts and different items in just to make more space. Really great view back here that goes all the way out. You get a really good view of La Jolla and La Jolla Cove. I just feel so comfortable and happy in my room all the time. So Anushka and I actually met in organic chemistry lab. Very stressful time. We say we're a little bit trauma bonded over it. And then we both found out we were living on campus. So that was really exciting.
And then I met Naira through a mutual friend, and I wanted a roommate. So that's how we met. Stella had a good housing time, so we asked her to pull us in to her apartment, and it has worked out very well.
Living situation's kind of perfect, but it doesn't just happen. I think you need to talk to your roommates and figure out boundaries and responsibilities. Like, for example, we just take turns taking out the trash every day, making sure our space is clean.
And I definitely think it's a little bit intimidating. I know as a freshman it was kind of tough to set up those boundaries in the beginning. You're just meeting these people, but I always say it's better just to if you really want to set up rules in the beginning. I've learned this over my years of living on campus. Set up rules, because it's easier to do it in the beginning, and then you can set up if something goes wrong, you can always rectify, and you can always edit your roommate contract. We always set up a roommate contract or apartment contract, which is we want these quiet hours, we want this kind of thing, this is when we want things cleaned, and you can always change that. People aren't as happy later on versus when you set up those rules in the very beginning. We just did it with whoever comes first come, first serve, for picking your shelf in the bathroom or picking shelves here. And I think a lot of the stuff at least was split up into 4. So they knew there was going to be 4 people living here. So it was much easier versus everyone trying to fit it all on one shelf.
Over time, we've also been able to modify our space a little bit, just for us, we got more comfortable with each other. So now things are a little bit more shared. Our mugs are in one place all together, our plates are in one place together. So it really just depends on what your roommates agree to. Whatever you're comfortable with and whatever you discuss with your housemates, you should do what's best for you guys.